back. Doing a quick video today of some new products I ordered from Hydro. So we're going to do a little unboxing and see what we got. I bought the Ultimate Bundle, I think it was called, $39.99, and it arrived today. So in the box, some Hydro detailer. Oh, smells really nice. So yeah, give that a go. Cat doesn't look that impressed. We've got some pre-rinse. I've never actually used pre-rinse before. Oh my god, it smells like cherry. That is very cool. What we've got? More packaging. Some Haribo. These are always a winner. I'm going to go after those. Very important. Hydro Snow foam. Obviously everyone knows what the snow foam is all about. So we'll give that a go. Smells like apple. That is cool. And some Hydro shampoo. It's got like an iridescent feel to it. Nice. Loads of really good detail on the back, like how to use them. So really useful for people who don't do a lot of cleaning. But I have some extra bits they've thrown in. Hydro sticker, nice. The discount card in there as well. What else did they throw in? Oh shit! That is their drying cloth. Perfect. I actually needed a new one of these, so keen to give that a go. Nice. Gonna go for that too. What else have we got? They got like the Sheen style bags, which I quite enjoy. Sick. Wash mitt. That's like, that feels nice. Yeah, no, I like that. And this looks like a microfiber cloth too. I'll tell you what, that was a really nice surprise. I know that I'd put the order in the other day, and then like the next day or two they sort of threw up like a deal, and if I'm honest, I thought I'd missed out on it, and that was fine. But fair play. I'm impressed with that. So I'm going to give all these products a go in the next day or two. What's it? Thursday today, so either Friday or Saturday I'll give them a go and see how they all come out. But yeah, pretty excited to try them. I'll put up a link in the video or the description for you to have a look and see what they got, and then yeah, we'll try them out of the weekend. All right, thanks for joining.